Sorry, Lady Baloo. Kit Kat is unhealthy. Now, Bob Zoom, take Lady Baloo to the car. Okay, Lady Baloo. What? Get in the car. Sorry about the troublemaker. You want to guys open it?
Yeah, same too.
Okay, then here we go. Just Kit Kat away, right? Alright, I got this pullback white car. I got it at ACM. Yeah, that looks cool. I'm gonna take off the tag soon. I'm gonna take it off later for now. Anyways, let's unbox this one. So, here you have the mini cars from, I got this at ACM. I'm not a hypocrite. I know I'm not 3 years old, but it's for all ages because they're my chocolates. Anyways, let's unbox this, Elinor.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Right. Here we go. I hope my memory doesn't get full. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to go to Mount Vernon. I don't know if I can. And then I'm gonna try to go to Family Dollar. Alright, here it is. This is an easy unboxing. It's got red, yellow, and blue. These are all the cars I got. By the way, we're gonna sing 4 little cars. That'll be it.
4 little ducks went swimming one day.